how to fix CapCut template missing on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that you could go ahead and do. So once you have CapCut open on the left, you should see templates. And over here, you're going to see all these different templates. And of course, you can search for templates or anything like that. So if you want to use one, just go ahead and find whichever one you want. And then let's say I wanted to use this one. All I'm going to do is press use template. It's then going to be downloading on my system. And depending on like the complexity of the template, it could take a few minutes. Obviously, it can also just take a few seconds as well, depending on how simple it is. And let's say the the template icon is missing on your PC or laptop. Then the best thing to do in this instance is go over to your desktop or go over to your browser, and then we're going to go ahead and open capcut.com/templates. Once we're here, find whatever template you want to go ahead and use. So let's say I want to use this one right here. Press use this template, and it's also going to, once I sign in, it's going to, and then once I sign in, it's also going to prompt to open the desktop application, and then I'll be good to go.